Hello guys, welcome back to Packages Compare. In this video today we compare two best smartphones, which is Samsung Galaxy S23 Plus versus Samsung Galaxy S10 Plus. So let's see the full comparison video. Display type, display size, resolution, touch screen, pixel density, aspect ratio, screen to body ratio, refresh rate, screen type, screen protection, storage, smartphone RAM, smartphone memory, card slot, body design, body weight, body dimensions, body colors, SIM slot, water resistant, back design, front design, body frame, platform, chipset, processor, graphic unit, operating system, main camera, megapixel, main second camera, main third camera, camera features, video recording, selfie camera, megapixel, camera feature, video recording, connectivity, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, positioning, NFC, infrared port, radio, USB connectivity, battery, battery type, battery capacity, battery charging, sensors, fingerprint, accelerometer, gyro, compass sensor, proximity, heart rate, SpO2, sound feature, note speaker, 3.5 mm jack, features, launch date, market status, has result, price, price USD. Thanks for watching. If you have compare any smartphone, so please comment in the video, and if you have buy the smartphones, link in the description. Also like, share and subscribe for gadgets compare.